Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to download, re-upload, and then open the Fusion 360 files using the Fusion Online web interface so that you can get assignments done and you don't have to create this one from scratch. In the assignment or wherever you get your file from, we're going to download the file. Save it, and then we'll go back to Autodesk. Now, the thing is, you cannot just come over and go File, Open. Because this is the online version, the web browser based, it is only opening things from your Fusion 360 Cloud, from your Fusion Cloud account. What you have to do is go to File, Upload. This is going to open your Fusion Teams page. If you've never opened this page before, you may get a pop-up right here in this area giving you a small tour. If you want to click through that, that's fine. We open the folder that we want to save it in. We click Upload, File, navigate to the file wherever it is in your Downloads folder. And once it is uploaded and saved, we should be able to open it. Now, you need to come here to the File menu and hit Open to navigate to where it is, and then you can open it from the File menu. Please note that I have had problems using the f3d files. If you open the data panel and navigate to the folder, when I double click to open it, it just opens our Fusion Teams folder again where I can't actually edit it. So that's just been a pain. You have to actually go to the File menu and click Open from there to do it. But anyway, that's how you open the file so that you can complete your assignments.